Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
So this is an interesting one. Didn't know I could do that. That's pretty good. That's half of a nut. Just broken off. Thanks, Cheater Bar.
That's fucking hilarious. The only thing that's holding it on.
This Honda Civic's transmission mount broke after hitting a bump.
Oh no. It shakes from the bottom and the top. Oh no, it's not.
A few cracked heads on this 16-cylinder 645 EMD marine engine.
So, you know, a little bit bent. Got a whole hub with still attached.
This Subaru's piston decided it wanted to see what it was like on the outside for this unfortunate customer.
Literally having to fucking slant this. Oh my god.
This customer stated, "Are you sure it needs a bearing? You can't just adjust it?" after being told the bad news. Customer stated, "Don't need new tires. These still hold air." Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.